Previously on The Real Forex Trader.
Your first challenge is going to be thrown straight into the deep end. It is to make 3% on the trading account within 24 hours.
I didn't expect this straight away, no, sort of like just from watching the previous series. I thought there would be sort of like other tasks first.
I don't want you guys telling each other what trades you're taking. The whole point is it's an individual task, alright?
Doing alright, just taking it slow and steady, no massive lot sizes, I'm not gambling. But I was up about 70, so slowly getting there.
Are you guys close to being up 3%? Why are you standing around it? Do you know what I mean? Do you want to fucking trade or go home?
Yeah, I got my trade, yeah. It eventually went my way, so I'm happy, very happy. Trusted what I seen, so yeah, it's there. Anything else?
I did, yeah. Pretty good, yeah. My pressure is off now. See you guys. Good luck.
I said need more than luck.
Yes, very seriously. It's you know, it's not, people who invested money, time and effort, being away from family, putting up accommodation. So I think that does say people are taking it seriously. I'm definitely taking it seriously, yeah.
I don't think everybody's taking it seriously. Maybe they're not feeling it as much as other people. Like, there's mixed emotions. There's very quiet people upstairs, and there's very talkative people upstairs. They like to talk about what's going on, what they're doing. So there's very mixed emotions.
To be honest, some people are coming in to do what they want to do, but I'm certainly trying.
Seriously? Yeah, I've given it the best. Like I said, I've never traded before. I was openly admit that. So I've got no experience. So it's all new to me. But I'm here to learn. So as soon as we hopefully get to the classroom stuff and start learning, that's my goal.
I think few people want it more than others, and they really believe they have the same mindset as me, and they're here to stay. And I believe that they're all just as capable as I am. But I think they're taking it seriously. Some like I say, some not in it for the long run, I think.
Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, with a little pressure because I was doing a scalping, so I wouldn't really do it the normal trading, but obviously I tried it, But the market was in my favor as well. DAX buy. I use a scalping in the pullbacks, and I see it's in the nearby the resistance area as well. So that's what I'm about. Usually it's good for shorting basically, but scalping just kind of take advantage of resistance supporting area basically. 10,371. I saw the opportunity, but I think I took a little bigger risk as well, which normally I shouldn't do. More like gambling than, because it could go other way and I would have lost a lot more. I could say that I had the luck in my side as well.
Always going to concentrate on gold. I mean, I know exactly what my plan is and where I'm going to take my entries at and when I'm going to get in and get out. So just going to stick to the plan. For me, it's just mentally staying sane. As long as I do that, I think I'll be okay. I know my risk management's fine. So no risk of like blowing the account or anything like that.
Looking at it now, I've took a trade in between sort of previous high and a previous low, so I'm not really not too confident, mate, to be honest, but just trying to get involved really, like you, everyone sort of taking trades. I'm going to hold it and see what happens.
Slow and steady, being patient, took a loss but still in profit. Keeping our lot sizes nice and small, nothing, not gambling, no big lot sizes, take it nice and easy. I had a few small losses at the beginning, but then I won it back with a gold trade, and now I'm letting these run and I'm looking for more entries. Look, gold's running already without me. And I'm looking for more entries, probably here on GJ, probably get in again. Looking for the overall, filling in these gaps, this messy price action. Overall about 100, what is that? 160 pips.
See it like by the time I click it, it's just going to be gone.
Don't do it, don't even do it. I can't get in on late. I can't get in on my momentum like that. It's just scary.
It's too late.
I wouldn't get in. Look at GJ though, it's lining up nicely.
Where's gold going to though? Yeah.
That's it. Look at how much below it is. It's just it looks bearish in my opinion. You might come up a bit more. Feel exactly where your line just was. That big candle. Feel that in. It might even pull back down from there. Look at that price action below. You know what I mean? It screams bearish to me.
It is what it is, isn't it? I mean, what can you do? You lose, you lose. You win, you win.
I managed to get the 1,000 back, so it's only minus 500 now.
Taken 7 trades, 5 of them have lost, but managed to break even only because of ratios. So I can't complain. Probably being here for the long haul. Just bundle up, get some food, meditate, rest and relax overnight, and just get ready for the next market opens, and we'll see what tomorrow brings.
But currently, I'm up 364 on the account, which is over the 3% target. But this open position is keep me back a little bit longer. So I'm just waiting a little longer to close it out at a small loss rather than a bigger loss. And then the 3% goal is hit. Hope for the best. And right now I'm currently sitting in a GU trade, which is a negative, but it needs to be negative less money for me to pass the challenge, about $64. So I'm hoping by the time this interview ends, that will have hit the take profit, and I would make the 3%.
I've got to leave quickly to go home, shoot home, and get my contact lens stuff because I wear contacts, and I didn't know we were staying for the night, and you can't just throw them away or put them in water. So I've got to shoot off for a couple of hours, take an hour there, hour back probably, and then I'll be back on the desk. So I'm not quitting, guys. I'm here to stay, so I just got to shoot off, and I'll be straight back.
No, I think he's just going to get his contacts and then come back. He was saying earlier today he's worried about staying tonight, about his eyes and how expensive they are. So I think it is rush hour. So we'll see what time he gets back.
I think he'll be back, won't he?
Yeah, he'll be back. He's a good lad. He'll be back. He's a good lad. He's got a genuine reason. Contact lens and that. He'll be back. Good lad.
I'm not a quitter, and I believe I'm here to stay.
Long day, long night. Just trying to get some fresh air.
I'm just waiting for my food. My belly needs food. Go around the house, didn't you? Yeah. Follow around anyway. That's true, yeah. I'm impressed that this picture's been a picture. You really put loads of salt on the chips.
I'm at break even. I'm going to wait for 10 p.m. for the Asian session. I will take a Euro GPI for long, I think. I see divisions. Here we have a low, another low, and with the RSI is a high low. So if we see the wool of the divisions, that could be fine. I just wait for the pullback and take the trade. A lot of risk, but it is what it is.
Yeah, so it's finally done. I only have $1 to spare, so it was a little tight, but finally it's completed.
3% on this.
Next. I was in that GU cell for since 10:30 this morning, so it was a long time, about 7 hours. I eventually just said, you know what, I gotta stop mirroring the trade, so I just closed out the cell and put in the buy position for a little bit of a higher lot size, and finally got me the profit I needed. So there we go, completed, challenge 1. I was confident with the skill I already have and my determination to hopefully make the 3%, that it was gonna go okay. I think I have some good experience trading already, and I'm hoping that will calm my nerves while I'm learning to trade the way that Samuel and company want us to learn. And I'm hoping that I can clear my mind of all the other things and not have too much pressure toward learning to trade off the start, because I've already learned some parts of trading. So hopefully that'll give me an edge, knowing how to work MetaTrader, how to work the charts, and what to look for in some sense. And hopefully that gives me an advantage over other people.
I need to do my teeth. But if you've got a challenge which is outside of the office and you speak to someone,
then I'll be gross, man.
Nah.
Unless I get my 3%.
I need to do my teeth. I need to do my teeth.
Was better before. Now it's a little bit worse. But I'm not closing it, just waiting for the stop loss.
I think it's hard getting used to
Overnight, I refuse to take anything unless it's perfect. Just because I like the volume. Yeah. It takes one person to come in and be like, oh.
Yeah. Either way, man. Either way.
Yeah, but
yo, give me some. That's what I need.
Okay, GPI. Hey, come on.
What's happening?
I will go to sleep here. Come on. Come on.
$20. From the shoulders. Yeah. Hey, as long as I did get side up.
Back. Yeah, ready to crack on. Got all my stuff, it's in the car. Don't need to show it on camera. My contact stuff, which I just leave in there. No, I'm not a quitter, I'm here to stay, I'm winning. I'm here to win. Let's have it, let's go.
Not good. I had to leave today. Unfortunately, I got stopped out on a trade that ended up running in the direction of S&P trade, which I could have just moved my stop a little bit lower and I would have been all in the green, and that stopped me out for 0.2%, so it's quite a hefty loss and a hefty mistake, but I had to leave to come back and continue the challenge. And I didn't want to quit, and I'm not a quitter, and I believe I'm here to stay.
Up the lot sizes, we've got good positions. If you can lose it in 12 hours, I believe in my positions. Like I say, the dollar, the US dollar it's got all bad news, nothing good about it. So it'll carry on tomorrow, it will carry on tomorrow. I've got a nice little wedge here for me, already on the DXY. Yeah, happy day, we'll wait till the morning.
And gold is going to go up.
Gold's going to fly. I can't believe I got out of that. That's the worst decision of the day, but hey, on to the next one.
I am down 3%, so I need to make 6% to go home. So I did take one very, very silly trade. I shouldn't have took it. It was just like an impulse buy. It's like, oh, if I do this and it goes here, I can go home. It was one of them. I can go to bed and be fresh for tomorrow. And I didn't think about my trading. I thought about going home and going to bed. So I'm a bit gutted about that, but 6% from where I am now, it is doable, but I've just got to be screwed on. Yeah, I'm going to be here for the full 24 hours. I'm not going anywhere. My arse is going to be in that seat, looking at the markets, reading what's coming out, what's next, because there's still potential to make money. And as I said, even if I break even tonight, I'm going to be happy.
Good, to be clear, but I'm getting destroyed by the swap. So I had no idea what the swap was, apparently because I'm trading pounds after hours on the S&P 500 by USD, which is dollar denominated. Apparently there's a currency swap price or a fee that's associated with that after hours. So I thought I did hit my take profit, which ended up making 393 pounds on that trade, but unfortunately because of the swap I was charged an 82 pound fee, which puts me just shy of my take of what I need to hit my 3%. I'm 231 pounds up, so just time.
I'm cold.
Tired?
4,000 down. Yeah. Struggled quite a bit from the beginning. Made some trades I shouldn't have made. The main thing I didn't do was my risk management. Walked away from my table, had something to eat, a bit of fresh air, came back, still couldn't get things right. Inside I felt like quitting, but I just knew I'm not a quitter. I just wanted to carry on.
So guys, you've seen these guys getting involved in trading. If you think you have what it takes to be a trader, then in the description, click the link to get involved in our $100,000 trading challenge. It's 100% free, and you've got the upside of winning a live trading account with us. Best of luck, and see you soon.
Making mistakes, but we'll live and learn. The plan is to get this to 3%. That's what my plan is. I'll not be happy if I don't. Or else I've just stopped up all night trading for what? I ended up £4,000 down, believe it or not. Yeah, here we go. Woohoo!
Finally just finished.
hit the 3%, a little bit extra because I didn't understand how swaps work. So I had my take profit a little far away, but just managed to complete it. Just happy about that. Took 12 trades. Only 4 of them actually made money, but those 4 made a lot more than my losers. So probably about halfway through, I wasn't sure if I was going to make it anymore at all, just because, again, I had a lot of losing trades, but just kept trusting the plan, and glad that it finally worked out in the end. It's not that pressure doesn't affect me, but I guess I just don't let it get to me, and I know what my plan is, and so I'm just going to execute it regardless of pressure or how I feel. So being that I flew in from Texas, you know, I've probably been up. I've slept maybe 4 or 5 hours in the past 48 hours total. So didn't expect that this would be the first challenge. Really unexpected. Glad it's done. Ready to sleep for probably another 3 hours and be back here. So we'll see how tomorrow goes and what tomorrow brings.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm very tired. Very tired. To be fair, I thought I was gonna sleep in the couch, but that chair was pretty comfy. So
I've got a blanket. Keep it nice and toasty. I'm here for the night.
There's a few people talking about finding somewhere to sleep, but how can you sleep when you're 3% down? Maybe that's their game plan. Maybe they'll have a kip, come back to the market with a fresher mind, but I just want to gain as much knowledge. I had a good sleep last night, so I'm feeling confident in staying awake all night. I'm a bit worried about what might happen tomorrow if Sam comes in and he's like, right, here's the next challenge, to the people who had no sleep. So that's the only thing I'm worried about, is continuing tomorrow onto the next bit. If I've got no sleep going into the next challenge, I am going to be making some decisions weirdly, not how I would. I'm not going to be focused as I would if I had a full night's sleep.
I hit the target, yeah. It was a gold, sort of double top, and just look for the pullback, hopefully into consolidation. And I took 3 lot trades, so I was just looking for a big sort of, I think it was about 10 pip move for 326 pounds, which was just tipping over the target, 3% target. Yeah, I'm ready for bed now.
I'm in S&P short, quite a big position, but I'm in drawdown from today, so I'm trying to use a bigger lot size on something like S&P to bring it all back. With a bit of luck, once it went into profit, it went in up like 300 £300, which was me at almost break even. Just gone back into drawdown.
There's still potential to make money, and as I said, even if I break even tonight, I'm going to be happy. Every trader has a losing day, every trader has a losing week, and I am still learning. I'm not profitable, and this is why I'm here. I'm not a profitable trader, so I don't expect myself, but it's inevitable that I'm going to have a losing day, because I need to learn the right skills to make it in trading.
doing better, which is good. So yeah, I'm happy. 9,400. Doing better. I'm currently trading US 30 Dow. My account is at the moment 2.4k, and hopefully I can take it down and make my 3%. If not, I'll take profit about £1,700. Very happy, and I can go home and sleep. I hit my 3%. Yeah. Just gone 2:15. Finally made my 3%. It was hard. I struggled. Made some trades I shouldn't have made, and yeah, just put my head down, looked at the markets, waited for the Asian market to open up, and I saw a good trade on the US 30. Took my trade, and I think I was just over $3,000 profit on that trade. That took me into my 3%. So now I think time to go home, have a shower, and get some good earned sleep.
It's nearly 5:30 a.m. Just finished my 3% on my $10,000 demo account. It was tough. It was tough. But I managed to pull through. Didn't think I was going to do it, but here we are. I was down on many occasions. I thought I was down. I had 3 chances to get my account back up to 10,300, the 3% that was made. And each of the 3 chances, I failed to do so. I went always, so I would get to 10,100, and then I'd go all the way back to 9,200, 9,300, which was kind of degrading in a way. But I managed to pull through it. Kind of learned something as well. Learned about myself and being patient and being, not always hurrying things. And yeah, it was a journey. But glad that it came to an end as well. So yeah, that's also the first time I was like in front of a screen for nearly 24 hours of trading. And I would say no, trading it's not easy. It's not what people think it is in terms of I can trade 1 hour a day and make all this money. Sometimes you need more than 1 hour. Clearly for me, it nearly took 20 hours. So yeah.
A little bit. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit tiring, but nothing else. It's been very interesting, and I learned a lot of things today, like scalping and the program Trader.
Very mentally exhausted and drained. I think it'll impact me, sort of, but I'm unaware of what the current task is for today, so we'll just have to see what happens.
Enjoying it, tired but trying to get the 3%, so close my eyes a little bit but didn't sleep.
Where I am, I'm down 16%. You can't make the 3% on using small lot sizes or small risk to rewards. The only way I'd make the 3% is going all out, all in, which is not something I'd ideally choose to do when trading real money, risky, but I think it's the only way to get it. It is basically gambling, trying to get that. But if you have, you see pre-confluences together, and then you might catch a big move. I took S&P short last night and I put a 1 lot on it. As it whipped into my stop loss, I got scared, closed, and then the knife dropped, and I would have been 3% plus 7% in the target, and I would have gone home, gone to bed. But because I seen that was the biggest drawdown I had of the night, I was like, oh no, that's not good, and then I would have been in bed.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Drop like a bad habit.
Someone is snoozing on the job. 100% snoozing.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's got to be even fast asleep.
How come you're late? Okay, that's not my fault. I commute from home as well. Where are you commuting from? Vauxhall. So you've overslept. Why did you go home then? If you knew the challenge and you had to be here at 8:30 in the morning, why would you go home knowing that you've got over an hour commute? So if you left now, what time will you be in? You're 18 minutes away. Okay. Fine. So the time now is 10 past, yeah? I'll give you until 9:30. You've got 20 minutes to be here. If not, then you're off the challenge, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Fair's fair. He says he's not far away, and I said, how far? And he said 15 minutes. So I gave him 30 minutes. I gave him 20 minutes. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm pretty sure he won't be here by 9:30, but we'll find out. So, challenge 1 is nearly over now, and it's called the persistence test. This is nothing about actually hitting the 3% target, although out of 15 people, 9 of them hit the 3%. Okay, some of them risk far too much, and some of them are still risking far too little. What this does is it shows us how much people want to be here, and actually, this is actually a real insight to what my day would look like in an election night or a general election, where you're there watching the results and the polls throughout the entire night. So this isn't uncommon. This actually happens, and it happens frequently. So giving them an actual taste of what a hard shift looks like in the markets is what they've just been through. I didn't expect this amount of candidates to sit here and be here for the entire time. We ramped up the air conditioning to 16 degrees. We put the pedal down. We brought in one of the previous candidates to come in at 11 o'clock and start making them doubt themselves, start asking why they're here, and they all survived. They're still here this morning, which makes my job a lot harder. Previous series we had people quit over a lot less. These guys didn't even think they'd be on the charts on day one. They got thrown smashed straight into the deep end on the charts, not a clue of what to do. And yeah, beginner's luck, whatever, some hit the target. We had one poor chap called Niftalim who he hit his target at 5:30 in the morning, lives on the other side of London, and decided to make that poor decision to go home, which is about an hour's drive, knowing he had to be back here for 8:30. Try calling him, and I thought I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. The challenge ends at 9:30 a.m. roughly this morning, and I thought if he's not in by then he goes home. So he just phoned the office at literally 9:05, saying that he's only 15 minutes away. Now, the amount of times people in my life say I'm only 15 minutes away and they're actually 30, 45 minutes away is a big difference. So I gave him the cut-off point of 9:30. If he is 15 minutes away, he should be here around 9:20. The trick here is that if people do not see me sticking to my guns of saying that the day starts at 8:30, and I let this drag on and I let people get away with it, we're going to create a culture where anyone can do this going forward. So as much as I respect him for achieving the challenge of, you know, being here all the way until 5:30 a.m, hitting his target and then going home, I understand you're tired, you're going to be wanting rest, you're going to be wanting sleep, but this is where the tough gets going. You have to make sure that you stick to a schedule and you stick to a plan. So let's find out if he's going to be here at 9:30. If not, we've lost our first candidate. For those that are still in the challenge, try to close all your open trades by 9:30. Okay, so it doesn't leave you long. You've got until 9:30 to close all trades. All right. There's some of you sat there that haven't hit the 3%, that aren't in trades. You need to be opening trades to achieve this challenge. You have to open trades. You've got 11 minutes, so you either got to start praying or start doing something. No worries, grab a seat and we'll have a chat in a bit. 9:24, 6 minutes before I promised, so gotta stick to my word. He stays. Okay, so 24 hours, challenge is completed. Some of you had it quite easy. You had a good sleep. Yeah, you slept well, nice, good. So that whole challenge was about persistence and just seeing how much you actually want to do it, how you want to achieve it. I actually don't care about your results. So the fact that 9 out of 15 hit the target is great. The guys that didn't, we learned a lot about those people. We've learned risk appetite, how much people are willing to risk it, how much some people aren't willing to risk it, how much some people don't actually care. There's a few people I feel at this point in this moment of challenge don't realise that it's very touch and go whether or not they'll be here today or tomorrow. So if you're not serious about it, 100%, there's some people here that have been wanting to be here for months, if not since series 2. So if you don't want to be here, there is no pressure. We're not forcing you to be here. You can leave at any time. We're going to be putting you through experiences like this, and it's not going to get any easier. So if you found it tough and you found it uncomfortable, it's only going to get worse. So you don't have to put yourself through it. No one's forcing you to do it, yeah? What you've just experienced is what is a normal day for us in elections, yeah? So we would sit there the entire day, 24 hours trading the elections, waiting on poll results, So I haven't put you through something that we haven't experienced. What you went through is what we go through. And in fact, we did it live in a studio on YouTube whilst we were doing it at the same time and interviewing people for the entire period. So it's not uncommon what you went through. So this is all about persistence, just seeing how you hold yourself, whether or not you've got what it takes to actually want a bit. As of now, I'm surprised we haven't had someone quit. Today we'll be forcing someone to go home. Okay, so this afternoon we will be at least one person less. All right. So we're going to move on to challenge 2, which lasts 24 hours. Does anyone want to quit before we go ahead? Anyone? Anyone thinking about it?
Next time on The Real Forex Trader.
I don't want you to eat much. There's a reason why. It will be a disadvantage against you this afternoon if you eat a heavy meal, okay? So, you need everyone back here by midday, okay? With a t-shirt that you don't mind getting wet, okay? Swimming shorts, ideally shoes that you don't mind getting wet. This afternoon's a mental challenge that you're going to be going through. So guys, you've seen these guys getting involved in trading. If you think you have what it takes to be a trader, then in the description, click the link to get involved in our $100,000 trading challenge. It's 100% free and you've got the upside of winning a live trading account with us. Best of luck and see you soon.